Hello guys, welcome to my Roblox Studio tutorial. In this tutorial I will be teaching you how to make a FPS gun. So first of all go into the toolbox and click the 3-line button. Then type my username Toasty Toolkit. If you want to get it from the browser, the link will be in the description. After that click on the model called FPS Gun. Now ungroup the model as I do. Yay, it works. So now let's add a dummy to see if it works on other player or not. Great. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. It will really motivate me to make more tutorials for you guys.